Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how exactly to turn microphone access on or turn it off or give a certain range of applications microphone access.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So we're going to be doing that with settings. I want to hop over to the top bar, navigate to quick settings, and then you're going to go to all settings. So from your home page, quick settings, all settings. Now that you're here, navigate down to privacy and enter. You're going to toggle on to microphone. So microphone access for all apps is right here. So all apps and services could access the microphone. If you turn this off, then you will not have all apps and services accessing the microphone. So I'm keeping mine turned on, and if you could toggle to the bottom and click enter, you could see apps access to microphones. So speech recognition and synthesis is on. Speech recognition and synthesis both from, I'm just clicking on this, you can see. So it's always allowed while using the application to act every time, and you don't need to lock the location for that application or for the application on TV, depending on setup on it. To ensure that toggle it off if you do not want apps to access your microphone for some reason. Turn it on, use maybe a voice command to navigate or voice on your keyboard. So if you found insightful, if it was informative, I'll send you like.